cooperative and a very vibrant and an open democracy. ये ऐसा हो गया साहब के हम जैसा चाहे वैसे चलाएंगे बोले तो ठीक है साहब मैं चले जाता हूँ, क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछता हूँ.
मिम्मल्नि अडगमंटुन्ना ना इब्बंदि ना फीलिंग चेप्तुन्ना.
Sir, I would like to know from your, sir, through you, sir, I would like to know, will the Hyderabad Metro Rail run minibuses?
Speaker, sir, so with all due respect to my friend Akbar Owaisi, sir, the word dictatorial democracy is something that is definitely not warranted, sir. Most certainly, the House is being run in a very, very democratic fashion under your leadership, sir. So to question the chair or to even accuse or to even cast aspersions saying dictatorial democracy is paddhati kaadu. I request the honorable member, is a senior member, sir, senior legislator. All the honorable chair said to you was, or had commented was, that your questions obviously will take a, you asked very elaborately the follow-up questions. As a result, the minister would require a lot of time. In fact, that might take the entire question hour is what the honorable speaker was saying. So all he was suggesting was that you have demands anyway. This is budget session. Demand तो है ही. डिमांड में भी आप ये मुद्दे उठा सकते हैं, डिमांड में भी आप बात कर सकते हैं. तो इसी वास्ते नहीं आप साहब एक मिनट सुन तो लीजिए साहब आप तो तहकीकात नहीं आप तहकीकात करने शुरू हो गए साहब जो आपने अकबर साहब सुन तो लीजिए साहब सुन तो लीजिए सरकार. अरे सुन तो लो भाई. स्पीकर साहब ने खुद कहा आपसे अकबर साहब स्पीकर साहब ने आपसे खुद कहा. No, my only request to you is, you can always have these follow-up questions in your demands. But to ask such elaborate questions and to expect answers from the minister at this point of time in a question hour is not appropriate, is what the chair was saying. Sir, you can't dictate to the chair. You cannot dictate to the chair. In fact, you said dictatorial democracy. I request you to withdraw your words. Dictatorial democracy कहाँ से हो गई?
मिनिस्टर गारू अकबरुद्दीन गारू మీకు नहीं होना चाहिए అంటే గదే మీనింగ్ మాకు కూడా కొంత భాష వస్తుంది. అబంధితో సమస్య నగర్ ఓకే ఇది ఇప్పుడు మీ నిర్ణయానికి మీ విచక్షణకే మిగతా విషయాలు వదిలిపెట్టి చెప్పండి. యూ కంటిన్యూ.
Sir, I have not said that there is a dictator. मैं नहीं बोला साहब उस बात पे. मैं आपसे यही बोलूंगा साहब कि मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं, क्वेश्चन का मुझे आंसर होना है.
ओके.
और आंसर देना नहीं देना मिनिस्टर साहब का इख्तियार है. आई कैन नॉट फोर्स यू.
प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
तो मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछने दीजिए सर. सर, आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू नो, विल द हैदराबाद मेट्रो ट्रेन रन मिनी बसेस? कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है क्या उनके साथ? आने के बाद क्या उनको परमिशन देंगे क्या आप? And also, sir, lastly, sir, how many CNG buses are there in the fleet of buses running in GHMC area, sir? And is there any proposal or plan to buy new CNG buses in GHMC area to reduce the pollution, sir? Sir, it is a very dangerous, sir, carbon monoxide आ रहा है साहब बसेस में से. एक आरटीसी बस के पीछे अगर कोई ऑटो या टू व्हीलर जाता है साहब, उसका मुंह काला हो जाता है. बस के लिए ठहरते हैं साहब, तो बस के ठहरने के वक्त में आधे घंटे तक बस नहीं आती साहब. सर, एंड व्हेन वी आर गोइंग कैशलेस, हाईटेक सिटी एरिया है, ऑफिसेस है, व्हाई डोंट वी टॉक टू देम? व्हाई डोंट वी हैव अ मीटिंग विद देम? एंड वी कैन गिव देम सम कार्ड, or we can have some machine over there with which they can just swipe and go in the buses, and the buses can be made conductorless, at least for that area. This is needed. Sir, one more thing is that we need to have some new dedicated lanes for buses, at least not in the city, sir. Wherever the city is expanding, wherever they are going to submit their layout plan for sanction of those plots and that locality, we can say that it is compulsory and mandatory that the main road should be this much. And the most important thing which I want to bring to you kind notice is that, sir, bade buses to bahut hai. Main thing I want to bring to your kind notice through you to the government is that, sir, we need mini buses. छोटे buses होना है साहब. छोटे बसेस रहे ना साहब, तो गलियों में से लोग ऑटोज में बैठकर आ रहे हैं, 40-40, 50-50 रुपए देके मेन रोड पर आते हैं मेन बस स्टॉप पे बस लेने के लिए. आप छोटे मिनी बसेस को लाइए और मिनी बसेस को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे ले रहे हैं साहब. इज इट राइट और रॉन्ग? Why are we not purchasing mini buses? Mini buses, whole city में mini buses होना है साहब. Setwin is also running mini buses. Why don't we all sit together? If the Honorable Minister Saab doesn't have the time to reply to all my questions, through you lastly, sir, I would like to request that to see this problem of buses and the requirement of new buses and waiving and taking off the old buses, a meeting can be called of city legislatures. We can sit together, have a discussion and see that how best we can improve the city RTC.